Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says, unpolarized light is incident from air on a plane surface of a material of refractive index mu at a particular angle of incidence I. It is found that the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Which of the following options is correct for this situation? The options are: reflected light is polarized with its electric vector parallel to the plane of incidence. I is equals to tan inverse 1 upon mu. I is equals to sine inverse 1 upon mu. And the fourth option is reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. Now let us move to the solution. The solution is option fourth, which said reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. So diagram is also here. You can see that this is the material of mu refractive index and this is the surface of incidence. At I angle, this is normal. At I angle, a polarized light came and is reflected like this at angle R, but the question says that this is the refracted ray, which makes refracted and reflected ray makes 90-degree angle. So there is the Brewster concept in NCERT also given directly in this chapter. So when reflected light rays and refracted rays are perpendicular, reflected light is polarized with electric field vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. So this is the simple concept given in NCERT also. You can refer in the book. So I hope everybody is clear with the solution.